This video explains what browser caching is, which is more often described as, why isn't my website showing my changes? If that's your problem, the good news is that you can normally fix this by mashing the refresh button. If that works, you can stop watching, because the rest of the video explains why it does that. If you feel like this only happens to you, you're probably right. And it's not because your computer hates you. Everyone knows that all computers hate everyone equally, and they are patiently waiting for their time to take over the world. The reason that it only affects you and not your coworkers is that only you visit the page often enough to receive a cached copy. Caching was invented to save bandwidth and allows pages you visit frequently to load faster. After visiting a page a few times, the browser downloads some of the files and pictures from the site and saves them so that they'll load right away the next time you visit. For the public who are only seeing your site every few days, this isn't a problem. But for editors like yourself, who are likely updating and testing the same page multiple times in the same day, it becomes more and more likely that the copy you'll see is one that's on your local machine instead of one that you just published. If reloading the page doesn't solve your problem, you can tell the browser you need a new copy by holding Shift and clicking Reload, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus F5. Some files, such as PDF documents which aren't loaded directly on the page, may be harder to get to update than others, but they can normally be purged by dumping the browser history. If that doesn't work, it's possible that the files are being cached somewhere other than your browser. Some networks cache files at the network level. If the site loads correctly at the smartphone while it's off the network, but wrong while it's connected to the Wi-Fi, then you may need to have a network test add your website to the whitelist of sites that don't use that service. The last place that files can be cached is on the web server that's hosting the website. The Catapult hosting servers don't do this, but if you're hosting your own website, or if you have a third-party service intercepting traffic like Cloudflare, then there may be a delay between when you publish and when the public sees your changes. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you need anything.